See, Allah's made it easy for you. This whole company is revolved around me. Look at the license plate, my address. 26. My dad's middle name. Wow. Monty. And then the birds flying directly over my head. See, this is why this company put this on top of my van. And then you're gonna see birds fly over my head. Just stay tuned. Now Maddie's leaving, so I gotta have camera footage because you're going to see birds. Didn't I tell you? I told you. I'm telling you stuff before it happens, so that when it happens, you might believe. There's no way humanly possible for these birds, you see that one right there, constantly flying over me, because I'm chief. People hate me because he loves me. People hate me because he loves me. Let's see how much he loves me. Let's see some more birds. Mahdi is one to believe in. I'm one to believe upon. Do you believe that I am the Islamic Messiah? Is the real question. That's the real question. Do you believe Al-Mahdi is the Islamic Messiah? I'm a show you today I'm the Islamic Messiah by all these birds that's going to be going over my vehicle. Done talking. Now I'm showing. Didn't I just tell you? Didn't I just tell you? You see that bird? I told you. I am the Islamic Messiah. You see my other birds? They're coming. My other one, you see it? See that one? You see that one? Did you see it? That was amazing. This is what birds do all the time. It's kind of like I'm a magnet to birds. I attract them. Oh, Mahdi is strong. I'm used to being rejected, so you can't hurt me, rejecting me. I've been rejected so much that it just makes me stronger. Attention to the cycle. The birds fly over me in cycles. Like right now, we just had a break. So that means right now, we're getting ready to come up on a bird. told you, you see it? It happens in cycles. As you can see, this bird flying directly. Okay? The bird was directly in the middle of the street over me. And I just gave you a heads up. See, this stuff happens in cycles. So we just seen a bird. Give it a little bit of time. You're going to see another one. This is a gift I discovered I had with no one's help. Except Allah. Subhanahu wa ta'ala. And all praises belong to Him. Been a little time, so now we're getting ready to come up on another bird. I told you, you seen that bird fly right directly across the street. It was a tiny one. I told you, you see all three of those birds. 1, 2, 3 tiny birds. Why are they crossing the street? Why are they flying over my head? There go another one. Why are these birds crossing the street, flying over my head? They're letting you know I'm chief. They letting you know I'm the bird man. They letting you know I got the feathers. I have the raisin head. That makes me chief according to the religion of Islam. All right, let's see some more birds. They're gonna try to fly across the street over me. That's one way they fly. And then you'll see them in the back already flying and gliding. Just like the video I just showed you with the easy glide. You see me with the easy glide on top of my van because Allah is trying to let everybody know it's easy for you to see these birds flying over my car, not everybody else's car. Okay? Mine. There it is again. I told you, one in the back hovering. This is Allah's way of letting me know He has His eye on me. There they go. 1, 2 in the back. I got one right here flying directly over my head in the background. Look at that. You see that bird? It's by the flag. It's by the flag. There's an actual plane. And there's my bird flying directly over my head, letting you know I'm chief. This is what they do. You see, there's one directly over my head down here, and there's one over here. directly over my head. I'm not lying. I'm not making this stuff up. Look at it. One's coming directly over my head right now. Directly over my head right now. You see it? You see it? This is what they do. The plane is flying over my head right now. There's a plane. These birds are going to continue to let you know I'm chief. They do this all day, every day. They're letting you know who is chief. Look at that one. Directly over my head, y'all. Directly over my head. I am not making this stuff up. The job I'm going to right now is designed for you to see these birds flying over my head. That's why I have the Easy Glide on top of my work van. The license plates has my dad name, Monty, Monterey. Monty is inside Monterey. Why is it Monterey? Look at those two. Boom! Right over my head. Monty is inside Monterey because I'm always cheesing. I'm always smiling. Look at this one. Look at this one. They're gliding. They're gliding when Mahdi comes through. This is how the animals know. And this is how the animals let you know, rather, that I'm king, that I'm chief. Look at this one all the way in the back, flying by the mountain. Look, look. I'm gonna catch it. You see it? It's flying all the way in the back, letting you know Mahdi is here. This is simply my drive home. I'm not taking no detours or anything. Simply going home. I was a little late pulling my camera out today, but I still pulled it out in enough time to capture some footage. We're going to see another bird. Another bird is going to mark me. All right, now let's pay attention for this next bird. There's a bird that's going to pop up. It has to. It's a cycle. Look at that bird, you see it? Look at that big ass plane. Allah did a miracle. He allowed a plane to be flying next to the bird over me that I told you that was going to be flying directly over my head soon as I come home. You see it? Look at it. It's doing wondrous for me. Look at it. It's flying like that for me. Now it's time to hit the corner and go home. Every time I turn my camera off, more stuff pops up. Now there was two birds flying directly over me. I'm gonna hit the corner real quick. Look at this. There was two birds. Look at this. You see that bird? You see that bird? I'm gonna keep doing this until somebody sees. Now, I know you are threatened to be jealous at the way he loves me, okay? But this is the way he loves me. He loves me like this, that he does this for me. I'm not sugarcoating anything. I bring life to the cartoon. Okay, I make cartoons a reality when I pull up on the scene. Mahdi is here. Mahdi is here. Look. Mahdi is here. Mahdi is here. Mahdi is here. Mahdi is here. This is what they do every day. They're easy gliding in my vicinity, letting you know I'm chief. Right now, there's one directly over my head. Just landed. How come birds come wherever I am? Look at that. Why is that? Why is that? Look at this. This is what they do when Mahdi gets home. Look at my other one. Look at my other one. Directly over my head. Why? Because I am the messenger of Allah, my brother. These birds are coming to my area. Why? Because I am the messenger of Allah. I am the messenger of Allah. Now I need some more shahadas. Okay? I need some more shahadas. Look at this one. If I be a messenger of Allah, let the birds fly directly over my head. If I be the messenger of Allah, send more birds in this area. If I be the messenger of Allah. Okay, now we have two birds here. Now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I told you I'm the messenger of Allah. The way he loves me make you feel some type of way. It makes you feel some type of way, the way he loves me. Now I need a genuine shahada. I want a genuine shahada. Okay? I just told you if I be the messenger of Allah, let a bird fly directly over my head, and one just did. Look, that's 4 birds that are here. When I came here, that many birds was not on the wire. Rewind the video. They come to see Mahdi. Okay? They come to let you know who the Messiah is. Because we got people, and this is the problem with people. Mahdi doesn't have a lot of friends because of the way Allah loves me. He loves me so much. Now 5 birds over here. 5 birds. He loves me so much. That's why I don't have a lot of friends. But these birds are showing you who is the Messiah. Now that is 6 birds over here right now. One in the tree right now. Look, there's my other one. I told you if I be the messenger of Allah, let the birds fly directly over my head. And that's exactly what they just did. I got another bird over here that just came here. Look at it. Look at it. They encamp around Mahdi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds. Then came on the scene. Why? Because Mahdi is here. Mahdi is a messenger, baby. I'm sorry, what you say and what you have to say is practically nothing. It's nothing. Okay? Al Mahdi is the speaker of the hour. When I open up my mouth, Allah speaks. Okay? Look at that. Directly over my head. When I open my mouth, Allah speaks. When I open my mouth, Allah speaks. I am the messenger of Allah. How many times do Allah have to show you that I'm Al Mahdi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 birds over here. When I came here, how many birds was here? You tell me, rewind, you tell me. Al Mahdi is here, bitch. Al Mahdi is here, bitch. More birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why? Because I'm going to raise up the 12 tribes of Israel, my brother. Okay, Al Mahdi just got off of work. I'm looking crazy, you know what I mean? But Al Mahdi is still Al Mahdi. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. Okay, now, I think I'll rest my case. I think I showed you who the Messiah is of Islam. It's Al Mahdi. It is Al Mahdi. Look at this. They love Al Mahdi. These birds love me. Oh, all praises is due to Allah. All praises is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. I think we can close it. We can close it down. Allah is showing you who is the messenger.